My name is Dr. Anna Beattie and I am an oral surgeon working in 3 Dental in Dublin, and we are here today to talk about what to expect after you've had a wisdom tooth out. So recovery after you've had your wisdom tooth out can really vary, often depending on how difficult it was to take out the wisdom tooth, but reasonably you might expect somewhere between 5 days and a week. It probably takes about 6 months before the gum is completely smooth, but after a couple of weeks, while there is a small little depression there, it's very easy to clean, because there's gum grown down into the floor. Generally, for the first couple of days, your cheek will look quite swollen. Your mouth can feel quite stiff, so it's difficult to open it fully. This can make it hard to eat foods, it can be difficult to chew, and there'll often be kind of a general ache around the area, and possibly sometimes radiates up towards your ear. You might expect the swelling to be settling within maybe 3 to 4 days, and the discomfort is generally mostly gone by a week's time. It is very normal to have discomfort and soreness after you've had a wisdom tooth out, and it's important not to worry about this. That is a normal part of the process. Often painkillers work best if you take them regularly rather than waiting for it to be really sore and then trying to rescue the situation. So we would often advise regular painkillers. I would advise not rinsing in the 24 hours after the extraction, because we want a clot to form in the socket, which is a really important part of the healing process. And if you rinse within the first 24-hour period, you can dislodge that clot. And then after that, we're going to brush your teeth twice a day as normal, even brushing the tooth in front of the one that we've taken out, and also rinse with something antiseptic. So the 3 things I would advise would be either hot water with salt in it, Corsetol, or a mouthwash called Periokin. Very small, low-level bit of bleeding, I wouldn't worry about it at all. If it's bleeding a little bit more, we'll have given you some gauze to use. Put it over the extraction socket, make sure it's right on the gum, over the top of the extraction socket, and then bite down firmly for 20 minutes. Here in 3 Dental, we'll generally be placing dissolvable stitches. It takes 2 to 3 weeks for them to dissolve through, so you don't need to worry about them. They'll just disappear away by themselves. After you've had your wisdom tooth out, your mouth will still feel quite numb. This feeling will wear away in 2 or 3 hours, but just be careful until that happens. Definitely for the first 24 hours after you've had your wisdom tooth out, it's best not to do any strenuous activity. Smoking is always a difficult one. The advice would be if you could at least manage not to smoke for 48 hours following the extraction. It should help a little bit with the healing process. So if you have any other questions, or if you think you maybe need your wisdom tooth out, please feel free to make an appointment here with us in 3 Dental. You can make that appointment with us over the phone, or you can also get us on our website at 3dental.ie.